What's your name?
Eu não falo inglês.
Ah, foi mal!
Good morning from Rio. It feels really nice to be back here. So right now I'm in Copacabana beach. As you can see, it's super nice, relaxing, and some people selling stuff over there, some people selling stuff over here. The thing is, you come here and you can rent one of those umbrellas and chairs and you can just hang out all day. They sell all sorts of like drinks, some food, and it's all really easy, really. You might wonder which beach to go to. I personally prefer Ipanema, which is over there. They're both very similar, but I think Ipanema a little bit more fun, a little bit busier maybe as well. It's a shame I only have one day here because it takes time to sit down and enjoy this place and do stuff. But let me show you something very quickly. There's the Sugar Loaf over here. It's about 20-minute drive. You just get an Uber and you can see the cable car just going up and down. Super cool, done that a few times, totally worth it. And then the Christ of Redeemer is actually it's just over there. So lots of things to do in Rio just by walking around and doing simple things. I am back in the hotel for a few reasons. First, I forgot my sunglasses, and what a hideous one. Second, I was told about 5 times in 10 minutes that I went outside that I shouldn't be taking my camera out because it's very dangerous. I'm taking a different camera now. And here I am, Ipanema Beach, after 20 minutes walk, half run, half walk. So how about this? If I ever get to 100,000 subscribers, I'm gonna stay here at the Fazenda Rio de Janeiro and do the most epic review. Deal?
What's your name?
Eu não falo inglês.
Ah, foi mal! Tranquilidade, Patu? Tá de boa?
Tudo bom.
Tá precisando da cadeirinha agora só?
Sim, só cadeirinha. People sell all sorts of stuff here. I'm gonna stick to my caipirinha with vodka, and to be honest, this is so cool. I know this is kind of normal, a menu, but some places they kind of take advantage of tourists and like they overcharge and so on, but here you see everything. So a chair is 10 reais, so like £2, less than £2. Caipirosca, which is a drink, 25 reais. It's less than £5. Anyway, cheap. I really think right now is the best time to visit Brazil. It's not over touristy and the real is super low, so you can make the most out of your money. And this beach is the best one. Esse aqui?
Esse mesmo.
Ah, esse aqui. Mas quanto que dá?
4,50.
Não. Obrigado. Faz 30?
Caipirinha tradicional. Special drink for you, my friend. Number one, baby! Pode olhar. Melhor emoção!
Parabéns!
Ulili! Ulili!
think I got everything. Leaving the JW Marriott Copacabana right now. Very happy with the upgrade, very happy with the sea view, but this hotel is very dated, not the cheapest. Breakfast was really good. 9 out of 10 for breakfast. I would say 9 out of 10 for location. Just everything else, meh. That's it. Would I stay here again? Sure. Am I looking forward to come back? No. Ótimo. Obrigadão. Valeu. Could have come earlier, enjoyed this Priority Pass Lounge Plaza Premium, but my flight's already boarding. And I'm leaving Rio, going to São Paulo. About to take off this flight from Rio to São Paulo. It's going to be about 45 minutes flight, very easy, and yeah, bye to Rio. Just arrived in São Paulo, where I'm from, back in the hometown.